Now, with the saving rates being cut dramatically in recent months, many instant access saving accounts are now at 0% return. So just how can savers secure themselves the best deals, particularly, of course, if interest rates are going to stay low for some time, as Anthony's been suggesting? MaxBips.com is an online auction marketplace for savings, where savings are often able to secure interest rates that are better than standard published rates. Over £110 million worth of savings have been auctioned on the site since launch in February. Joining us now is Aloysius. How do I say your surname, Aloysius? Teketer. Okay, CEO of MaxBips. Thanks very much. I didn't want to get that wrong. Okay, that would have been embarrassing. So, Aloysius, how does this work? It's sort of like basically with companies are bidding to get your money, are they?
Yeah, it's like a money market. We've taken the idea of a wholesale money market and with the enablement of the internet, we're bringing it to smaller investors, and it works very simply. Someone who comes onto the site, you specify how much cash you have, for how long you'd like to put it on deposit, and run an auction. And over half an hour, you get a number of bids.
So I don't know whether you can answer. Say you have £5,000 worth of.
We start at minimum £30,000.
Yeah. Let's say you have £5,000 worth of savings. What sort of rates might people get with that sort of 5 to 10 mark? What's being achieved on your site compared to sort of what we might expect?
Well, it depends on what kind of terms you're talking about. But I mean, as an example, you can get 3-month terms for 5%. So.
Okay, that would be attractive, would it, Anthony?
Definitely, yes. I mean, savers have to hunt around at the moment, and those that were smart enough to put money out on, when they could get 7% have done very nicely. But as all this falls due, the having a very low interest rate does actually sort of push savers into taking more risk, which actually helps the economy. So there is a benefit out of all this. I mean, and they have to hunt out for corporate bonds and this sort of thing, which is going to give a better yield. And this actually sort of supports the wider market, and over a period of time keeping rates low is the thing that's going to get the economy back on its feet.
Meanwhile, just because the big thing I think with anybody saving money at the moment, any person investing money anywhere, is trust in the institution in which they're putting money in. So who are the providers? Who are the people competing for these savings funds?
Absolutely, and we only deal with FSA authorized banks. So you will see the major high street banks, some of the mid-tiered banks, even some building societies. And what we provide on the site is an information database on each of the banks. So we have their credit ratings, their deposit protection information, financials. So all the information is there for them to evaluate the rates they're getting.
So all the providers that are on there, the current UK credit deposit protection will apply to every single
either the FSCS deposit protection or an EEA passported, so some equivalent. So as an FSA authorized organisation, they will have a deposit protection. And then
at the moment, that would be up to what across the board?
£50,000.
50,000. So this is safe. For sort of £50,000. And what? How is your revenue? Where do you get your cut? Are you getting a cut of the savings? Are you just getting? Are you ad funded?
There's an annual subscription fee to be a member of the site and to be able to run auctions. We also charge a small commission on the deposits as well.
Okay. Well, I'll go and have a look at it, see how it works out. Aloysius, thanks very much indeed for joining us, CEO of MaxBips.